Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're having a lovely day. It's sunny here in my neck of the wood. Today was okay, sunny, but I'm still in a long sleeve, but hey ho, it wasn't that hot. Today our mid-June and we're still wearing long sleeve, although it's a little bit warm. But don't make the sun fool you, you'll catch cold. Anyway guys, you know what I saw Spice came out with a new song, and I've heard clippings of the song. I haven't listened to the song in its entirety, but the clipping that is hot and that they're talking about now is the incident that took place between the alleged incident, because I wasn't there. But obviously when it comes on to violation, any kind of violation towards a person, if a person has been violated, man or woman, child, anybody, once somebody has been violated, you don't then turn around and victim shame the person who alleged that something has happened to them. No, these things might have happened a couple years ago. Years ago, them something happened where her baby dad, he forced himself onto one of her dancers. Mind you, the girl was young. Little girl, come from the country. When we say little, she was 19. So people are going to say she big, but she was a young person trying to get into the entertainment industry. Now, you work with all of these people who has a lot of money, because having money no make you have class. That's what everybody should know, that having money doesn't make you have class. And especially in our society, in Jamaican society, it's like when you have money as a celebrity, a politician, an artist, once your name big out there and you have a lot of people behind you, it's like it doesn't matter what you're accused of or what you're accused of being involved in. The masses, most of the people, they're gonna find ways to justify your actions towards another individual, because as far as they're concerned, you're them artists, and the artist can never do wrong. It doesn't matter how blatant it is, it doesn't matter how in your face it is, your artist can do wrong. So she accused the guy of violating her, and she explained her situation as to why she was scared. She was scared to come and talk about it because she said Spice a bully. Like, she said it's not easy to work with Spice. Obviously I can't comment on that because me never work with Spice. I not think me don't want to work with Spice. Like, certain things is not for me. Yeah, certain things are not for me. I like Spice music, some of her music them, and I listen to some of her music, but Spice is not really my. I mean, I have no money still, but I have opinion. But no, this is not a laughing matter. So if those things happened a couple years ago and somebody has accused someone you were with of violating them, and for you to be coming now and it's like you're trying to victim blame, you're trying to put the blame on the other person, that's not right. That's not right. You need to find, something like that. It better you never sing about it, or better you never sing about it, because it's like you're jeering the person, somebody who has gone through that type of trauma, and we don't know what another person is feeling. But when you're gonna it's as if you're gonna say the person is lying, but you weren't there. People lie for a lot of reasons, or people don't speak the truth because of a lot of reasons. A lot of time people don't speak the truth because of fear, or in her case, maybe because she's a young person trying to get into the entertainment industry. She feels that, boy, if she say if she go say nothing now, she go lose this opportunity. But whatever be the case, she still end up couldn't keep it, and she end up come out and she end up talk about it. Now, as a woman, not even as a woman, as a person, as a human being, and somebody else tell you that you're being violated. They have been violated, and then you respond like that. I don't think that's not in some first world countries like America or UK or wherever. A celebrity come out and a victim blame a person like that, that celebrity would be cancelled. But not in Jamaica. Jamaica is a place where people keep up a lot of effries as long as the person is popular, and as long as they deem the person to have a lot of money. It's like, because you have a lot of money, nothing else, every character can just go through the door because you're financially stable, and as long as you're financially stable, that's be all and end all. But money is not all. Money is not all, and it takes some people never realize that until them dead. Some people get to realize there is much more to life than certain kind of things. But people will have some more empathy, man, towards each other, and don't just embarrass, because she didn't have to come and sing about that again. Even if she didn't believe, she wasn't there, so she can't be 100% as to what took place. So you couldn't know you're coming out and you want to sing, you put out an album and you want the album to get traction, so you do whatever it is. So whether it means hurting someone else, it doesn't matter what it means, as long as you're putting out that traction, forget those people to come and watch your to watch your music, to get the streams going up, to buy your records and all of those things. Why would you want to use a tactic like that, especially when you yourself as a woman, you have a daughter? You understand me? Have a daughter, and as I said, these things happen to both males and females, but in this case we're talking about a female that says she was abused by people in power. Yeah, in this case Spice and our baby father. Not Spice really physically say Spice do it, but yeah, it involves her. So it's not easy for a poor little girl from the country to go against somebody who everybody like, and who has so much money, and who have so much fans, and people gonna come out, and a lot of people came out in defense of what Spice did. I don't think she shouldn't have done that. She's wrong for doing that, and I think she could have put something else on the song. And I don't think she should be talking like she attacked so much on the topic and she wasn't there. She wasn't the one it happened to. She's not even interested in the baby daddy. She don't want the baby daddy. She don't want to have nothing to do with him. But people will do anything to get views. I'm gonna be putting up what Spice is saying, and I'm gonna be putting a video of what Danger is saying about the situation, and just let's take it from there. Let's hear your comment. Let's hear what you think about it, guys. Remember, everyone is free to share their opinion. Everyone is entitled to their own opinions. It's not a case of my opinion right and your opinion wrong or whatever. We all have a space in this world to voice our own personal opinion, whether I like it, whether you like it, whether whatever. But truth is truth, and right is right, and wrong is wrong. So let's hear what they're saying. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more videos, and I will catch you in the next clip. Peace.
Me work at them get highlight. One of them sex me man right under me sight. The same people we used to talk bad about them, all of a sudden now everybody tie them fight.
Them come around you and your husband them Sunday. And them come back at your house Monday. Them come Tuesday, and them come Wednesday, and them come Thursday, and them come Friday, and them come Saturday. Like everything normal, and you see them, and in memories where you're having them and your man was good, like friend, like brother and sister. You never have no sign of she never liked the person, or she had the attitude, so that even say if it was rape, she could have come and say, you know, sir, that's why me never like him, or you know, that's why me never used to talk to him, or you know, sir, that's why you never used to see me and talk up to him. You never used to see me and talk up to him. Me don't know if you explain. Me don't know if you explain this to blood clot because and them a scheme to bring me down. But here, oh my God, work and all the plan mash up, right? Me now keep me silent because me see someone now say I lie the angel tell.
Say you must not live in regret. But enough people I should have never met. I'll know them voodoo still no work yet. Cloud chase for attention where them never get. Me thank God say me heart never stop. All the hatred now that can't rap. I know fake people did they love and hip hop. When the camera turn on them start live cap. Me live with Optimus Prime and Terminator. Me go restaurant and I be a robot server. Never dream.
Upset, I realize even on camera I don't know how to explain myself. Because I'm the type of person I've never had to explain myself to no bitch. I don't give a fuck. When I get my conclusion, I'm out. I'm done. I'm like that. That's just who I am. I can't change that. And I understand on social media when people come off real, you don't take it as fake. But when somebody real, you don't understand. So listen again. Carly was friends with a girl. She's also a makeup artist. Her name now come to me, but I gotta remember the girl name. Because she have the audacity. Me have her screenshot. She go in on my DM and text me about, why you telling Carly this and that? The girl used to live at Carly yard. She used to live with Carly. But she's also a makeup artist, so she used to do my face. So I used to make her come to my house to do my face. So she's coming to my house. She's laughing in my face. She's laughing up with Justin. Then they act like cookie, kiki. When we find out that bitch is Justin ex-gal when we used to fuck. So when me go to she said, oh, it was before. But you know, that God tell the case and give me the pillar. Me girl, me not in the foolishness. That's what me stay. Me very just chop. So that's why I want to see the rest. I want to find out argument done. So I want to know now. So we want to take it and run with it, take it and run with it. But when thing Gracie I go do, attack her truth, and Gracie I go always lay it out on the table and move on. I mean, not care and give a fuck about that. So them claims that because it was before me, I shouldn't feel no way, but I still did feel a way. So if you feel like I shouldn't feel a way, y'all can tell me. Carly, and them say Carly know about it and she never tell me because she never said the need to tell me because it was before me. But even after I go to her and say, Carly, can you believe this girl been in my house for 2 years? Wait, more than 2 years. Because she was in my apartment before I bought my first house in Atlanta. Because the house that I'm living in now, that's not my first house. So at first I was renting an apartment. That girl used to do my face. So it's 5 years. Hey. Mighty God of Daniel. Jesus Christ. The girl there in my yard, I do my face for 5 years. And she used to take the man. She used to sex with the man. And she never tell me. And she come on my yard when Justin did it. She had do my makeup. She and Justin a friend. And she in my house with the man. And them I go turn around and say, them never need to tell me because it was before me. You guys are going to see me react to certain things where somebody do me. When I was such a real, genuine friend to Carly, when you guys used to turn against her. And then you going to turn around and say, me not feel no way, me should not react. Me not act no way, why I'm mad. What's I want to understand that very
Told me about my business. Remember, me never send your man. Your man.
What's your name? Green flag.
Remember, me never send your man come trouble me. Remember me there when me there, and you go tell me, say, oh, you know what me do. Lady, you know nothing what me do. Because you see him one in the hotel room the night. I don't forget the same night when the indicator make. You in the hotel room. And we do a video. And the man go on the road with version them. Before the man go up on the road, you tell the man, say, don't bother go drink and junk and fuck nobody, come here artist and everybody know me. That was what you said to the man. Me go down in my room, I'm in my business, about my business. And your man come down there, come pull door and do what I do. So, I end of the day, me tell you that. Me tell you that, I you go say you hear the truth. Oh shit, somebody a call me, which family? You go tell me, boy, you know the truth. Which fucking truth? You live off of lies, you live a lie, you live lie to stay relevant. That's what everybody knows. We know this. So why you go talk about this and that and this and that? Lady, me not have time to make up no story if you look no fame and no hype, because I can't sit down and create something. And come with this one me about my business. Remember, me never send your man.
What's your name? Green flag.
Remember, me never send your man come trouble me. Remember me there when me there, and you go tell me, say, oh, you know what me do. Lady, you don't know nothing what me do. Because you same one in the hotel room the night. I don't forget the same night when the indicator make. You in the hotel room. And we do a video. And the man go up on the road with version them. Before the man go up on the road, you tell the man, say, don't bother go drink and junk and fuck nobody, come here artist and everybody know me. That was what you said to the man. Me go down in my room, I'm in my business, about my business. And your man come down there, come pull door and do what I do. So, I end of the day, me tell you that. Me tell you that, I go say you hear the truth. Oh shit, somebody a call me, which family? You go tell me, boy, you know the truth. Which fucking truth? You live off of lies, you live a lie, you live lie to stay relevant. That's what everybody knows. We know this. So why you go talk about this and that and this and that? Lady, me not have time to make up no story if you look no fame and no hype, because I can't sit down and create something. And come with this one. I said you sing about that. Remember that way you believe that your national anthem. Remember when you wanna take the woman man, remember me and you are the best friend. You did not take the woman man and what if a problem coming at the media. The woman over England, the man of England, I mean not call no name. And you hear me? Remember you did not take the lady man, so when you say you sing song about where you remix the Adele song and I say, oh, so what fucking problem? Me sit down with your secret them because me and you are the friend. And you take the people them man and we know that. All when, how you go again? When the whole incident, like me come out of a group and say, the man I'll send man come page me and I say, oh, me fi hold it down and I say nothing. And nobody go talk, say, oh no, a fuck. Because you know what, in the mix up. So what you talk about? Me really not understand. You not have good ways. You have good ways, but you have whole heap of fuck up wicked ways. Anytime young people not agree, you go to the extent to do whole heap of things.
Spice. Come here, good girl. Don't vex so. I have a few questions, but don't vex so, I beg. Bestie, uno don't come for me, I'm just ask. Spice, there is discrepancies in your new song. I'm just saying, there's a lot of contradiction because, and what a way you acknowledge your other man now. Come tell me, oh, you got good girl. Spice, then you would over there ball out say, ain't do it. Make it dirty boy go and do it. So all of a sudden now them in sleep with the man. Me not think I grip your man, they grip them. I'm just saying. I just have questions. Are you the over there ball out? You dirty boy blood clot do it. Me believe. So how they sleep with the man now, mama? Make it make sense. Me just ask. Then Spice. Then how the milk bath they go? Cause as far as me see, you to get the gig pan love and hip hop. I'm just a spectator. I just have questions, Spice. Don't beat me. You're your best of them don't run out upon me. And Spice is not because you're black. That's not why, Spice. It's not because you're black, because you're a beautiful black woman. No, it's because you change your mouth all the time. Because you ball out over there, say, them engrape the dance of a true and you believe, and if you lock up the dirty boy, and then now you say the dancer sleep with your man. Me no know. Then Spice, you do wear the coat where the mash mouth woman give you? Me just a ask. Hey? You do wear the coat or you do bun the coat? Me no know, because word on the street is you take out the coat out of your booty and you never wear it. So therefore you did believe. So the hobby work. So how you gonna say the hobby no work now? And as far as I say, me no know, me just say it look like the milk bar work for you, because you get the gig pan love and hip hop. Can't tell how it goes, Spice. There's a lot of this discrepancy and contradiction in that song. So we want you to come clean it up. We know we are talking, we know all of who you are talking, but we're not ready for wheel out the name. Yeah, because since you not call on him, me not call on him either. But what are we acknowledge the other man? Yo! Come tell me how it got, Spice. How it really got. Yeah.
No motherfucker don't have no secret and no file can bring me down in a this. No matter where you see big pussy momo we have AIDS in him bag him. Where you see she a go on with her blood clot cell pussy from 19. That bitch no have nothing for me because I'm still in America walking. I am a US citizen, me nah no mugshot. So any pussy where you see out there uneducated, I use allegation and bring me down, me stand firm. So with that said and done, me nah no strength for Momo because Momo a chat fuckery. I have strength for big pussy Spice because we have secret. You get it? So I have strength for Momo because Momo a chat fuckery. And the fuckery then not faze me because I'm not guilty. So I give a strength for that bitch when I'm a clout one on the body. But got strength for Gracie. Who's somebody where me can get little cloud from. Class that bitch. Bring that bitch to the ground. And get little hype and tomorrow me and her good again. Okay? That I gotta ask you that question, people. You so long me a mind my own business and not trouble Gracie 4 years now me come talk. Every story when me talk, she come back come talk. Yeah, 4 years. You see when it's me want to know this. Gracie irrelevant, nothing nah go on for me na dance, no kangle, nah bun, no goat, nah kill, no bat, nah make, who no blind. Me talk the turblest blood clotting boy, you put my name in a song. Me talk every blood clotting boy, you have the audacity if you want come on stage. Me will bring down your blood clot. Me will tell everybody about your life. You not have the power to come on the live, to come class me, but you have the power to come friend me. I don't want a friend from you, bitch. Take the live and class me. Talk what you know. How the fuck you a come like say me your friend when me 4 years me I try blood clot bring you down for you I try to tell blood clot make me look like me a idiot. 4 years me I bring you down and it take me 1 day to tell you suck your mother. God is good. 4 fucking years. Me I try bring you down with you I tell the people them say where you do no real. Where you do the real. And me a the man. And the end of the day is me live. This you call watch God. I can't believe me live to see that girl who me can nationally say me try to bring down because of her wicked ways. Confront me and bring a show where I build. And you are come on the show, want to be recognized. And when me tell her I go suck her mama run her off, you have a problem with this? This is what I want to know. I feel proud run that bitch and tell her go suck her mother. She's nobody. You coming in my glory. You say you don't know me. You say that man. Oh, the fuck you want come on that man platform to be relevant. Go suck your mother. Make us split it. You Jamaican people are not fair. When you see the woman ignore me, the woman no pay me no mind. Me build my brand, me build my name. So she for come on my... Listen, you never hear say me go on our platform. You didn't hear that I go on our platform. You hear that she come on my platform. So the question I'm going to share up this blood clot, yeah. Share up the live. Come, share. I need fire in this blood clot because Gilbert never whoop me in this ras here. Listen to me. Nobody never hear say me go on Gracie Live. Let me talk again. Nobody never hear say me go on Gracie Live as she come on me and Miss Bling Live. So who I look clout now then? I could talk. I never sent call for that black-eyed merge looking woman. So why she come over the live then? So just for sure you who I look friend. So you can't overthrow me with my facts. So you want to come friend me. I don't want a friend from you, bitch. I want a friend from you. You ain't nobody. So I don't want to say me a mama man. I say me a batty man. Well, the mama man, batty man, Shiba, the fruity man. Don't want no friend from a so-called queen. Making it publicly. Many of you feel like say me did want to be friend with your so-called queen. I am tired of your nasty queen. So that is why I react like that. If the queen did come in her energy for cuss me, then me would have take her and I would cuss. But you come with the energy for friend. Me don't want a friend found a nasty queen. So the fact that me denounce her a blood clot again and again and again, now you realize I don't need a friend from her. So the whole of a big pussy Jamaican where government now feed, where cock up down the hungry no blood clot, man a fuck out on the wall and I beg you sir give me 50. Cock up on media no blood clot I fuck for $40 and fuck for 50. I come look on me good man. We married American and don't look on a nasty blood clot Jamaican woman with most of them leave. Me a blood clot. Me a look out when fear no good queen come visit me. Eh? When you don't realize that the moral of the story is Shenseea have an album out. So Spice are trying not to make Shenseea get Grammy. All she are trying to do is fight against the little girl. The only reason why Spice come with this clout and come with this excitement and come with this bangram because she's dropping her album and she wants her album for sale for beat Shenseea. What kind of fucking tragedy? So everything you are do, you are use me. Then we're not going to talk about, oh, Spice clever. Spice is not clever. Spice is feeding off of RT. Get the fucking street fight fuck straight. Ain't no fucking clever about that dark art bitch. Ain't nothing clever about her. She's feeding off her RT. She's feeding off her RT. Energy as the guzu we ocean know. What you talk about what? The way how me deal with that bitch, she should have despised me. Despite me. The way me deal with that horse, she should even want to confront me. The way me deal with her, should even want to get in my present. But why the bitch aunt me? Best to tell the queen to leave me the fuck alone. I refuse her and I will always refuse her. Stop following me the fuck up. Every fucking day you watch me. You under my page. You under my page. You in my comment. You stop me. Why the fuck you not leave me alone, Gracie? I don't want to work for you again. I refuse you. I want what no work for you again. Leave me the fuck alone. Stop me. You're making my life uncomfortable. Just because you want me to come react to you to be relevant, leave me. You're not relevant. You're broke. You're broke and in a foreign pay rent. Don't come to me. I'm not your landlord. I'm not your landlord in Atlanta. Okay? Go for your landlord. Worthless queen. Fuck you living a foreign and a pay rent. Visit your landlord. Fuck you coming strength for me. Listen to me. And you might know you have money problem. Fuck the Jamaican people dance. Yes, I know. I know you're broke. I know you're not getting a show. I know you got Europe. I know why you go to Europe. You go to Europe because each show in a $700 Europe. Even the dancehall fraternity will laugh after you. Shane Yang will laugh after you. Jada Kingdom will laugh after you. The best of them will laugh after you. Jamaica laugh after you. Everybody laugh after you know, Gracie, because you look like a fool. I told you you couldn't do without me. You can't be without me. You have to use me. Because I am good at. You always have, the last time Jamaica know you is when you use me again. To talk about friends. You go number one, you go it. Now you use me again. Danger don't make sense. Lady side don't make sense. Mash more. I want to hear this. I want to understand this. You delusional bitch. All of you whores will follow Gracie. All of you prostitute Jamaica. You young Jamaican prostitute will follow Spice. Go get ambition. You self-fuck Jamaican prostitute will follow Spice. Go look at work. Spice has sell her pussy all life and I sing about her pussy and she don't have a credible life. She not married, she not have no man. Obviously pussy no make sense. All of you fuckers will listen to Spice and I listen every day about her pussy. You can testify that her pussy no makes you relevant, not even in music and in career. So why are you tag along in behind this woman and listen every day about her pussy when her pussy herself now put her no way? So you all can waste illiterate blood clad tech fuck girl will walk a about under your pussy and can't keep no man. All hail you and your fucky queen we can't get no man. Now I see why Jamaica have a population problem. Because on the fucky queen can't keep no man. That is why on the miserable down there. Same way on Jamaican ruffle on the father. And you can't fix the birth paper. And the same way you love on the queen. And you worship on the queen because the queen has struggled with birth paper. Long live on the queen. Suck on the mother. She a stream, me a stream further. Do all we a make money, mama. Suck on the mother. What you feel? She a go come with fire and me no dash water. Let me tell you this besties. Uno creatures, uno smurfette blood clad. Remember when is a set of smurfette and me baptized uno and call uno blood clad besties. Besties uno not counted. Let me tell you why uno not counted. You are a set of non-progressive prostitute. I'm being real. Besties. Look at uno reputable file. You guys are a set of a non-progressive prostitute following a prostitute. And the moral about this, you fuckers where you feel like you want to defend Spice. I never see Spice a go to dollar. I give him most money. Most of the fuckers I feed you guys. You become besties now because why? Choose Spice have an outside. You fuckers I used to feed you before you turn besties when Spice no member on the blood clot and none of a TikTok yeah. I beg lion and I beg gift. Who the fuck feed you? Did Gracie give you a lion or a money gun and on the blood clot? Question. Did Gracie ever mind? No. That's why I say you Jamaican people who are a set of ungrateful set of young prostitute. Most of you know all you know about is to take man and sell pussy. Then you want to come for me? When me married an American woman, the reason why I don't marry a Jamaican woman because most of you know a war. You can't keep one man. So I married a US citizen. I married a US citizen because she know how to keep me. I could never marry a Jamaican because I don't know that one man rule there. Because I learned from Spice. Jamaican don't know how to keep one man. You don't know about many man laws. You have a pussy problem.